Hello all, myself Megha Mahesh, volunteer of Applied Forensic Science for Justice Students Group. This video consists of answers and explanation for topic Forensic Science UGC NET MCQ questions part 4. 11th question. Heptoglobin occurs in blood. Options A. RBC, B. WBC, C. Serum, D. All of this. Answer is option D, all of this. Haptoglobin, abbreviated as HP, is the protein that is in human encoded by the HP gene. In blood plasma, haptoglobin binds to free hemoglobin compared to hemopexin that binds to free heme released from erythrocytes with high affinity and thereby inhibits its deleterious oxidative activity. The haptoglobin hemoglobin complex will then be removed by the reticuloendothelial system. Question number 12. Potassium bromide palette is to be used in the following examination. Options A. UV spectrometry, B. Visible spectrometry, C. IR spectrometry, D. Atomic spectrometry. Answer is option C. IR spectrometry. Potassium bromide spectrometric grade is typically used as the window material because it is transparent in the IR between 4000 to 400 cm inverse. Alternatively, sample can be contained within a potassium bromide matrix and pressed to form a pellet that is then analyzed. Question number 13. Match the following. Ecumenzide, A. Projectina, B. Gel electrophoresis, C. Comparison microscope, D. Battery disc. On opposite side, type of examinations. 1. Blood examination, 2. Document examination, 3. Fingerprint examination, 4. Bullet examination. Options are A. 1, 2, 3, 4, B. 2, 1, 4, 3, C. 3, 4, 1, 2, and D. 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer is option B. 2, 1, 4, 3. That is Projectina matched with document examination, gel electrophoresis with blood examination, comparison microscope with bullet examination, and battery disc with fingerprint examination. Next, question number 14. Absorption elution technique is used for the detection of the following. Option A. Blood stain, B. Fecal stain, C. Fingerprint, D. Seminal stain. Answer is option A. Blood stain. The absorption elution technique is a method to determine the blood type of a dried sample of blood A, B, AB or O. The sample is then tested with the different blood types to see which blood type causes the antibodies from the dried blood samples to combine with the blood antigens. Next, question number 15. Arrange the examination method of semen in the proper sequences. The sequences are 1. UV examination, 2. Visible examination, 3. Acid phosphatase test, 4. Crystal test. The codes are A. 1, 2, 3, 4, B. 2, 1, 4, 3, C. 4, 2, 1, 3, D. 3, 2, 1, 4. Answer is option B. 2, 1, 4, 3. That is visible examination, UV examination, crystal test, and acid phosphatase test. Visible examination in natural light if not found. UV examination, that is white color illumination, is seen. In crystal test, it's preliminary test for semen. Acid phosphatase test, it's a confirmatory test for semen. Next, question number 16. Karyotyping of fetus is done from all except options A. Lymphocyte, B. Monocyte, C. Aminocytes, D. Fibroblast. Answer is option C. Amniocyte. Current prenatal testing involves the collection of chorionic villi, amniotic fluid or fetal blood and the culture of these cells to obtain metaphase chromosomes for analysis. Next, question number 17. Give the proper sequences of methodology in DNA typing. Sequences: 1. Sorting, 2. Cutting, 3. Splitting, 4. Extraction. The codes are A. 1, 2, 3, 4, B. 3, 4, 1, 2, C. 4, 2, 1, 3, D. 2, 1, 4, 3. Answer is option D. 2, 1, 4, 3. That is cutting, sorting, extraction and splitting. DNA typing is a laboratory procedure that detects normal variation in a sample of DNA. DNA typing is most often used to establish identity, percentage, family relationship and appropriate matches for transplantation of organs and tissues. Next, question number 18. If the blood groups of both mother and father is O, the possible blood group of the child would be options A, B, C, O, D, AB. Answer is option C, O. A mother who is blood type O can only pass an O allele to her son or daughter. A father who is blood type AB could pass either an A or a B allele to his son or daughter. This couple could have children of either blood type A, that is O from mother and A from father, or blood type B, that is O from mother and B from father. Next, question number 19. Ammonium sulfate method is used for the extraction of following poison from viscera. Options A. Volatile, B. Metallic, C. Insecticides, D. Non-volatile organic poisons. Answer is option D. Non-volatile organic poisons. For extraction of non-volatile organic poisons, common extraction methods are solvent extraction, starch auto, digestion with ammonium sulfate. In solvent extraction, the 50 gram of viscera are mixed with 50 gram of ammonium sulfate and 100 gram of diethyl ester. Next, question number 20. Match the following. One side drugs, on opposite side its nicknames. Under drugs, A. Amphetamine, B. Marijuana, C. Barbiturates, D. Benzodiazepines. Under nicknames, 1. Donor, 2. Blue Angel, 3. Upper, 4. Hemp. The orders are, the sequences are option A. 4, 3, 1, 2, B. 4, 2, 1, 3, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, D. 3, 4, 2, 1. The answer is option D. 3, 4, 2, 1. That is, amphetamine is called upper, marijuana is called hemp, barbiturate is called blue angels, benzodiazepines is called downer. The link for MCQ UGC NET Part 3 consisting of 1 to 10 questions is available in the description box. Thank you.